Our today's exercise is on present continuous tense. Question 1. She'll read a book in the living room right now. Read. Is reading, are reading, was reading. Answer is reading. Question 2. We have dinner at a fancy restaurant tonight. Are having. Have, had, is having. Answer is are having. Question 3. They play basketball in the park this afternoon. Played. Played, will play, are playing. Answer is are playing. Question 4. I watch my favorite TV show at the moment. Watch. Will watch, is watching, am watching. Answer is am watching. Question 5. He'd work on a project for his class today. Work. Is working, had working, works. Answer is working. Question 6. The cat sleep on the couch right now. Will sleep. Sleeps, is sleeping, had sleep. Answer is does. Question 7. They travel to Europe next month for vacation. Are traveling. Is traveling, am traveling, had traveling. Answer is are traveling. Question 8. My sister practices the piano in her room at the moment. Practices. Is practices, am practicing, is practicing. Answer is practicing. Question 9. My sister practices the piano in her room at the moment. Are planning. Is planning, am planning, will planning. Answer is practicing. Question 10. The kids are play outside with their friends right now. Are playing. Is playing, am playing, will playing. Answer is are playing.